And finally, in comes the custom table.
Look at it. Oh my God, this looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then you eat cake. It's the good stuff.
But before this kitchen is completely crashed, Allison's got just one last surprise for the bride and groom before the big reveal.
All right, guys, we got one more project. The DIY project. It's a little formal, though, so you got to get dressed up.
Oh, wow. Mike comes up to us and he hands me a veil, he hands Mike a tuxedo shirt, and he takes us in the backyard.
Look at your bride. This is what I want to do now, guys. I want you to turn to me. I want you to look at him. I want you to take his left hand. And I want you to ask him to be your forever.
Will you be my forever?
I will.
All right, now, Mike, I want you to take this ring. I want you to look into her beautiful, gorgeous sunglasses. And I want you to ask her to be your forever.
Angie, will you be my forever?
I do.
This is a Kitchen Crashers wedding! Kiss the bride. Come on. It's gonna, oh, and make it good. Make it good. Now, I got an idea. What's better than the wedding? The reception.
Yes.
You want to do a little reception in your new kitchen and see it?
Yes.
Are you dying to see it?
Yes.
All right, let's head in, guys. Party
Okay.
time! Time to celebrate.
Oh my God. I love it. I might cry. I love it.
It's a real kitchen.
It's awesome.
My God.
Isn't it beautiful?
Before, our kitchen was dark, it was dingy, and it was just not functional at all. And now it's completely functional, it's spacious, and it's bright with all this light. I love it. I think I owe you a hug.
You're so cute.
Thank you.
We are so fancy now.
Look how
Those are the beams
fancy.
you did. That's the table we did. I love it.
It all came together, man.
Do you notice anything else?
TV.
TV.
This kitchen before was not functional. It just didn't lay out the right way. Now, they have so much room for friends, family. They can stay in the kitchen together because there's a TV. They've got an entertainment center plus a bar, and it is classy. It's a very elegant kitchen. This makes sense.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And the fridge in the right spot
Yeah.
makes sense. Right by your stove, right by your sink, right by the dishwasher, not all the way across the room.
Functional, we asked for it.
Love
Here it is.
Yes.
Okay, so we could never have pulled off a wedding and a kitchen crash without the man. Look at you. Get those guns in here, Mike. Come on in here. Get over here, Pete.
Come on, guys.
Get in here, you guys. Look at that. If they fit in here, you know it's a good kitchen. You took this thing and you ran with it and you finished early and you didn't overlook one single detail.
Thank you. Got a great team.
But honestly, usually what I do at the end is like, let's take off, let's let them enjoy the day, whatever. But I got a cake. I got some champagne. The happy couple is gonna cut the cake.
It's the perfect start to a new chapter. It's a new beginning. Now we can bring the families together, have some family dinners, enjoy a game maybe, crack a bottle of wine. It's all here. It's all right here. It's great.
All right, you guys, go enjoy the kitchen. We love you. Thank you so much. Let's get out of here. Get out of here.